How's everybody doing? Anyway, WrestleMania weekend. Joined by a special guest today. This is Brett, also known as Tank, former pro wrestler.
Hi.
So yeah, this is going to be a little bit of a different unboxing. Other than having Amber joining me, but also since it's been a while and I haven't really done anything on like today's finds or anything like that. Went to a flea market, picked up Scott Hall NWO. Yes, too sweet. Unfortunately, he did pass away. For many of you should already know. Unfortunately, he fell and broke his hip, and he was found 3 days later by Diamond Dallas Page. And with him being stuck on the floor, it caused a blood clot. And unfortunately, the blood clot caused him to have 3 heart attacks. And then he was placed on life support. And then when his family got to the hospital, he was taken off the life support and unfortunately passed away. So I know you probably hear some stuff going on in the background. We have a little WrestleMania party going on. So, and I know I've been talking about custom figures, and I actually do have one that custom figure that I did of Kevin Nash,
Big Sexy,
WCW Wolfpack. So with this one, I used a Braun Strowman retro figure body, and then Toy Biz Kevin Nash head, and I have a actual official WCW licensed Wolfpack NWO shirt that would go with Kevin Nash. And I am currently working on a Scott Hall Wolfpack Rem Black NWO. Now I know some of you that are probably watching this right now are losing your minds. Why would you customize a perfectly good Razor Ramon? When I got this figure, if some of you remember when I did the unboxing from the package I received from Motu Mike from One Man's Junk, this Razor Ramon was in the purple, but he was missing an arm. This arm actually came from a Rick Steiner, and I put it on to make one complete figure. So I would not try to restore a figure and then try to say, you know, it's the original figure. I don't screw people over like that. So I figure it'd just be better off to make him a custom figure. So when he's finished, I will show him off, and I will be making a video on that. I know I've been seeing that for months, so I wanted to at least show off at least one. This is my more recent one that I made. But I wanted to show off at least one figure to let you know that I do make custom figures. I'm not messing with anybody. So.
By the way, the Wolfpack theme in WCW is probably one of, if not my favorite theme songs of all time.
You know, the other thing is with the theme songs, I noticed some of them weren't actually using actual licensed music. Mm-hmm. Like Diamond Dallas Page had Nirvana.
Well, supposedly.
Right, but you knew it was Nirvana Smells Like Teen Spirit. Mm-hmm. And there was another wrestler, I couldn't remember the name of who, but they also had another actual song too by another well-known artist, but I can't remember who it is. But yeah, DDP, Diamond Dallas Page was always Nirvana, and then years later, then they finally start getting actual bands to make their songs or let them use it. I mean, ECW is mainly like all the wrestlers used somebody else's song, like Tommy Dreamer, Alice in Chains Man in the Box.
Sandman just straight up used Metallica.
Yeah, Enter Sandman. Then you had
John Cena used John Cena.
Right. But still, that was him though. He could do it. Although you can never see the guy. That's the only bad thing about yeah. Raven used Offspring. Gotta keep them separated. And the list goes on. But enough about that. Let's get to what this video is all about. Another pro wrestling crate. So this has been sitting in my living room for 2 weeks. We were going to originally do a video a week ago, but unfortunately just had a lot going on. So we figured, why not do it WrestleMania weekend? Just keep the celebration going. And this is probably going to be a little bit of a longer video than some of the other ones, but you know what? I don't care, because we try to make these videos entertaining and try to give you guys something, you know, decent to watch, because I mean, if the videos are boring, you're not going to want to watch that. So try to make it entertaining, try to make it fun, try to make it interesting, try to share some wrestling knowledge with everybody. And I forgot what the spoiler said for this one, so I want to say there's probably something with the Hardy Boys in here, but everything else...
The Scissors are getting the best of you, man.
They are. And this is usually the challenge I always have, is opening up the box.
I got an F in art in 3rd grade.
Oh, so, also, I want to mention, this is the first time Brett ever seen one of these boxes, so he's new to this. So he doesn't really know much about these things, which is awesome about these, because it's older wrestlers, like legends, and then mixed with current wrestlers too. So this is for next month. So you get, every box has one of these. So the spoiler alert for next month would be something with Dr. Britt Baker, Dusty Rhodes, X-Pac, 1-2-3 Kid. For our old school fans who would know him, the Lightning Kid when he was in WCW. Jay and Mark, the Briscoes, Hangman Adam Page, Fandango, and Red Dragon. So this is all different things that are going to be in the next box, but I won't know what it is. So,
what up, bud?
We got a... Speak of the devil, Kevin Nash.
Hey.
Look at that. For life.
Big Daddy Diesel.
Which is interesting because, yeah, they took both aspects of Diesel with the Mack truck, and then you can see right here, the license plate says For Life. Thank you, buddy. So that's really cool.
Because, Dad, you're opening the box without me.
Sorry, buddy. I thought you were busy. Okay, and then we got... Yeah. Then we got stickers of the Lucha Brothers.
Nice. Lucha.
And these guys are actually going to be at Select Fest 4.
Zero.
So it's going to be a toss-up. It's like, do I want to get both of them to sign this, or do I want to get them to sign the figures? So every crate comes with 2 t-shirts and some random stuff like the stickers. So let's see. not really sure who. Sometimes I get stuff I'm not like really sure who it is. I want to say that's Eddie Kingston.
It is Eddie Kingston.
Okay.
Yeah.
Eddie Kingston as Biggie Smalls. That's the Biggie Smalls. Okay. Eddie Kingston, Biggie Smalls tribute, I guess. And, oh, that's cool. Honky Tonk Man.
Hey.
So, and each one comes with a pin too.
That's awesome. That's just his hip move. Yeah, his hip
yeah.
move. That's awesome. Very cool.
So lately they've been making them to where it's like they have movement. Before it was just one solid enamel pin, but now they move. So Honky Tonk Man, you can make them shake, rattle, and roll, which is really cool. And then Chris Candido.
Nice.
So these are the Micro Brawl figures.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you want, you can cut it out. You got like a little trading card. And so when they originally made these were in like little plastic baggies. And then I had like a cardboard top saying Micro Brawler, and you could have a little pig hole that you can hang if you want. And then they started making them like a package figure. And then they were making them before to where it was just the bubble on the card. And it wasn't collector friendly. So if I wanted to, I can lift this part up, slide out the cardboard backing, take the figure out. And then when I'm done, put it back in, slide the backing back in, and yeah.
Nice.
So, Chris Candido. In the back. And there's also with these, there's chases on the Micro Brawler figure. And then there's a chase on the pin too. But if I had the chase, it would tell you that you got the chase. And oh, this is so cool. Oh, this is awesome. See what it says?
Kick-ass and shoot. Oh my god.
You know what this is, right? Rowdy Piper. From what was the movie? So, sunglasses that I will be wearing. I'm keeping these from Rowdy Piper. I cannot remember the name to save my life. Where he walks in at the end.
He walks into the bank.
Yeah, walks into the bank with a shotgun.
Yep.
It says, "I am here to kick ass and chew bubblegum, and I'm all out of bubblegum." And it says it right there. That's cool.
Want another coconut? How about the banana?
And then they also come with a comic book too.
Nice.
And usually every comic themes like a different wrestler. So got that.
Cautionary Tale by Rob Van Dam.
Okay, it's alright. Yeah, it's a different wrestler like each month. I just didn't see the Rob Van Dam at the bottom. And then for the the 8x10 autograph.
Drum roll, please.
I can get it out of the envelope. Buddy Murphy.
Hey, there you go. Used to be with Alexa Bliss.
Oh yeah, that's right.
They were engaged.
They were, and he wanted to get married so he could keep his work visa. And she wasn't ready to get married yet, and that's why they broke up. At least I believe that's why they got broke up. They broke up.
And then he went and did the whole cruiserweight thing. And ended up
yes,
kicking
and then he was working a storyline with the Mysterio family, where he was supposed to be in a relationship with Rey Mysterio's daughter, Aaliyah, and that really didn't go anywhere. And Yeah. So this is, and then it shows you on the back of what everything is.
Nice.
So, you know, the t-shirt, Kevin Nash. Yeah, so it is Eddie Kingston. And then right there it says 250 Chase variant included for the Chris Candido, Michael Brawler, Rob Van Dam comic book, and then the Buddy Murphy. And then there's 100 for the Chase of the pins with Honky Tonk Man. And then
They Live.
that's what it was. They Live. Piper sunglasses, and then Lucha Brothers stickers. And then, so this lets you know, gives you a heads up for next month. Britt Baker, Dusty Rhodes, X-Pac, J. Mark Briscoe, Hangman Adam Page, Fandango, and Red Dragon. Of course, I already said this earlier. So, I'll be getting this sometime next month.
Nice.
So, well, that's going to do it for this episode. So, or video, or whatever you want to call it.
Unboxing.
Yes, this unboxing video and a little brief preview of my custom figures and today's find, which honestly I haven't been really finding a whole lot lately. But when I do find stuff, I will show it off. But still, pretty cool find. Scott Hall, NWO. But yeah, when I do the video on the custom figures, I'm going to talk about, you know, Kevin Nash a little bit more. I'll have some other figures as well, showing them off and going a little bit more detail on them. So that would pretty much do it. And so I want to thank Brett for joining me on this video.
Thanks for having me.
Anytime. Hopefully we can do this again.
Absolutely.
And we'll see you next month, unless a lot sooner. Alright, enjoy WrestleMania. See you all later. Woo!